In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter using dimensions. You can filter your data using dimensions, and you can also filter your data using measures. But this video is going to be about how to filter using dimensions, and the next video will be about how to filter using measures. And let me quickly, so I want to see, let's build a simple graph here real quick. I just drag category and subcategory to rows, and then let me grab cells to columns. So this is a simple bar chart, but I just want to look at office supplies. And office supplies, as you can see right here, is a category, and then we have subcategories related to office supplies. So just to look at office supplies, here what we do is we take category and put it in the filters pane, and here you get different options. And let's just choose office supplies and click OK. As you can see, we have just filtered our data down to just office supplies. And now we want to show office supplies that has cells less than 200,000, for example. So we want subcategories that has cells less than 200,000. To do that, we grab subcategory and add it to filters pane. And from here we go to condition and say by field. Let's choose by cells, and we want sum that's less than or equal to 200,000. Alright, and now we click on OK. And now what we have are the subcategories that has cells less than 200,000. To view your filter cards, what you do is you just click on this right here, and then you can do show filter. From here you can kind of see what's being filtered, and from here you can choose technology, and let's go ahead and show the filter for subcategory. Here you can say I want to show everything or just office supplies, and you can choose whatever you want from here. And if you want to edit this, you can, there's a couple of things you can do. You could click this drop down here and click on edit filter, and you'll be able to make your edits from here. Or you could come to this filter panel, click the drop down and click on edit filter, and you'll also be able to edit your filters. And from here you can see the filter that's been applied to it. And if we click on this, go to edit filter, you will also see the condition that has been applied on this filter. That's one way to build a filter. So if you want to remove your filter, there's a couple of ways you could do it. You could just drag this off, or you could click the drop down and click on clear filter, and that will clear it too. Another way to add a filter is you can right click and then you can click show filter, and then shows you all the filters, and you can just, instead of clicking all, you can just click furnishings, phones, appliances. So this is another way to add a filter using a dimension. And of course you can also do the same with category. So if you select all here, let's just go to category. You can also click this drop down menu, and then from here you can click on show filter. And if you notice, whenever you click on show filter, the dimension is added to the filters pane right here. And let's just choose the technology, and let's just choose machines. Chairs is not in the technology category, so it's not showing up. But I think chairs is under furniture categories, now it's showing up. So that is how to filter your data using dimensions.